Hi everyone, so I'm doing another video. I went live and I don't know what happened to my video. It's just moving slow, laggish. I don't know if it's my internet or if it's YouTube. So I'm just gonna do another video and upload it because I will have more control over the video. But if you watched the live, I bought two new machines. One is refurbished, one is brand new. This is brand new, the DX2000. I bought it because my machine got old. It's 15 years old and it's not working like it should be. And I don't want to invest in more money getting it fixed. And I bought a refurbished PE900. So this is the Brother PE900. I bought it because I want a repositioning hoop, and with the multi-needle, I can't use a repositioning hoop with the multi-needle. And with my Meridian machine over there, it doesn't work with a repositioning hoop. So that's why I got it. And sometimes when I first bought my Meridian machine, I messed it up and I had to get it fixed because it was my fault. And I didn't have an embroidery machine at the time. It was the only embroidery machine I got. So the same thing happened. So same thing this year. Something happened to it. The screen broke. I don't know if my kids caused it to break or it's the cat. I don't know what happened, but the spring broke, and I had to get it repaired. So I was down. I didn't have an embroidery machine to use for 3 months. I did have my multi-needle machine, which is over here. I had the multi-needle machine, but I didn't want to use it because when I use it, it'll take up more fabric. And the multi-needle machine, it's really more for like sweatshirts, t-shirts, bags, That's what it's for. Like if you have a business and you have lots of orders, it's really meant for that, and I didn't want it. And when you hoop it, it takes up a lot of fabric. Then this one takes up less fabric, and the Meridian machine takes up less fabric when you hoop it. So yeah, just watch the live. I know the video is kind of slow and lagging, but I wanted to replace two of my sewing machines. So these are the machines that's gonna replace it. I really wanted to do decorated stitch, and I wasn't able to because my machine wasn't working. My old machine wasn't working. So I just want to do this quick video explaining myself, because I don't know, that never happened to me when I went live, that it just lagged like that and moved slow. I don't know if I'll do live. I probably, but the thing is, when you do live, YouTube push your video more. That's why I wanted to do the live. But I'll probably just upload, but it takes longer for me to upload. So I was just trying my best to save time. That's what's nice about going live. You save time. You don't have to edit your video or anything. You just upload. But I mean, you just be on live. You don't have to edit. But I may have to upload the videos so it won't give me any issues, with the audio and me moving slow. Like, I don't know why I did that, but I'm just explaining why I got the PE900. Even though I got two embroidery machines, I wanted a repositional hoop. That's the main reason why I got it. And sometimes if something's wrong with your embroidery machine, it may take a while for them to repair it. So it's good just to have it just in case. I was also considering buying an embroidery on Facebook Marketplace, but they were not cheap. They are not cheap, But I'm glad I got it, even though it's refurbished, and I think it's I pay $800. So if you buy this machine right now, it's $1,000. I don't know if they're gonna drop the price on Black Friday, but I'm glad I got it. I could do repositional designs. I could try to sell them online, you know, because now I got an embroidery machine that could do repositional design, and I got a new machine where I could do decorated stitch like I wanted to. So that's about it. I'll see y'all later. Bye.